In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order history on Amazon. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to look to review your past purchases. First, open your web browser and head to Amazon's UK website by typing amazon.co.uk into the address bar and pressing enter. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Amazon logo and the .co.uk domain. If you use a different regional site, the layout is often very similar, but today we're focusing on the UK version. Once the homepage loads, take a look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, near the basket icon, you'll see a link labeled Returns and Orders, sometimes simply shown as Orders. That link is your direct route to everything you've bought on this account. Go ahead and select it. If you're not signed in yet, Amazon will prompt you to log in securely. That's normal. Order history is private to your account. Make sure you're using the correct email address for the account where the purchases were made, especially if you manage more than one Amazon account. After you sign in, you'll land on your orders page. This is your complete order history displayed with the most recent purchases first. Each entry typically shows the purchase date, the items included, the delivery status, and the total amount, along with an order number that uniquely identifies the transaction. This page is designed to give you a clear snapshot of what you've bought and when it arrived, so you can confirm deliveries, recall older items, or keep records for budgeting and returns. If you're looking for a particular purchase, the orders page often includes helpful tools right on the screen, things like a search box or time filters, so you can quickly narrow down what you need. You don't have to use them to view your order history, but they're there if you want to hone in on a specific time frame or item name. Also, if you're browsing on a smaller screen or a very zoomed in window and don't immediately see returns and orders, try widening the window or checking the header area near your account name. The link is always up top. A quick reminder on security: make sure you're on the official Amazon site with the padlock icon in the address bar before signing in, and never share one-time codes or passwords with anyone. That's all there is to it. Visit amazon.co.uk, select returns and orders, sign in if needed, and your full order history is right there, neatly organized and easy to review.